Beep papadi pap boopapipadi pap. So here is the reason I have a pressure cooker. So ribs. You can make ribs in pressure cooker in hour. It's super fast, delicious. Oh man, let's get started. So let's cut the ribs in smaller pieces and put some rub in it. I use this Poppamies slow food rub. It's really good, but you can use any rub you want or make your own. And more the rub you put, the tastier it gets. Put the rub on both sides and then all the pieces in pot. 1 cup of water and let's put it in high pressure for 40 minutes and let's wait for a while. And then we make natural pressure release, so after cooking let it stay for 15 minutes and then take all the ribs out. And then take your favorite barbecue sauce, paint all the ribs with barbecue sauce, put it really much so that you can get this sweet and sticky ribs. And now put it on oven for 5 minutes in 250 centigrade and then take it out. And now let's flip all the ribs and paint them from the other side with the rub. Like so. Looking good and beautiful. And now it's also time to put those back in the oven for 5 minutes and take those off. And you can get this really beautiful crust which is sticky but still the meat is super tender. And now with the ribs we can make some burgers. So let's put buns in OptiGrill and fry some stripes like so. And after that we can build up the burgers. So here I have my ingredients. Homemade mayonnaise on the buns, and then we put some paprika and tomatoes and salad on the bottom like so. And after this we can start taking off the meat from the ribs. So it's super tender, so you can just rip it off like so, but I use my knife as a help to get nice thick stripes of fatty, nice tender meat on the burger like so. And then vine sorrel, it gives acidity and color for this nice burger, and there we have it. I could say this is perfect. Oh man. And if you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.